haven't done a Zoom meet since quite a long time. क्योंकि वो थोड़ा हैक हो जाता है, वो सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज थे, तो पूरा टीचिंग जो है वी आर डूइंग ऑन गूगल ओनली. But that I share through my Gmail account, so it is possible. But Gmail में बहुत सारे features आते नहीं हैं. That is why we'll just see what happens.
No issues, ma'am. We can do it. Pushkar, are you there? Can you push it from your side?
Disabled participant screen sharing अभी disabled है मेरा.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You can try.
दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am, we can see it. Ma'am, before starting, I would like Mosami to introduce you first to the audience.
Okay.
To continue with our session now, we move on to the student development program, which is on the topic Women in the Tourism Career and Travelers by Rupendra Nanda ma'am. She is a visiting professor at Government Polytechnic Nagpur. She qualified NEET in tourism management and a multifaceted tourism professional with an experience of about 25 years in the tourism industry. She had 17-year experience in diverse areas like outbound holidays, corporate travels, villas, foreign exchange, conference management, and guest house. Management is multinational in Pune and 9 years experience for teaching and other academic assignment at various levels, postgraduate and undergraduate department. A very good evening to BAM. I would like to call on you the stage and request you to please start the session. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Masmi. And thank you, Detour. I welcome you all to this, probably, I think so, Vikas, if I am not wrong, this is the last session in the series.
Yes, ma'am. This is the last student development program. And tomorrow we have one last panel discussion. After that, we have a closing ceremony tomorrow only.
Okay, so
thank you.
Last session I have, we have our energies left to go through this session. And I am sure that there are some men also on the session, boys and men's, because the session, the topic is women in tourism. So I hope to see some boys too and men over this. So thank you, Vikas sir, and thank you all the faculty members who've joined today. Thanks to all the students who've joined today. And let us start this very interesting topic about women in tourism. I would share some career opportunities that are there for women, and definitely how women as travelers are influencing the change in the traveling trends. So yeah, what are we going to talk about, and how do you what do you learn, and what are the takeaways from this presentation? Because it is not a very theoretical kind of a thing. So definitely I would want that you all learn something from here and go. And for that you will have to note down certain things. So I hope you're keeping your notepads etc ready with you, so that this will help you in because during these COVID times there are a lot of loss of opportunities, jobs in the tourism industry. So whatever I am going to show, or I have just researched from the internet, whatever is available, whatever are the opportunities nowadays. So probably you can relate to any one of that and start. So what we'll study is what opportunities lie for women in the travel industry, how women are the driving force behind the global tourism industry, and empowering other women as travelers that we've already know, and how despite their large representation and opportunities in the industry, women still do not have those significant, they have these significant economic barriers, especially in the rural and the community development, that still has to be shown. And all these things can be done through all the young entrepreneurs that we have over here. They can take up this project definitely. And for men, as I said, that it is you have a whole potential market to be explored. So you can deviate or have a special niche segment in your tours. For example, Suyesh is there, he can for a International Women's Day or something like that, he can create itineraries just for women, or shopping tours for women in Bhopal or in Hyderabad or places like that. So it is a potential market for them also to be explored. So some of the topics that I have covered is leaders, as innovators, as business owners. You have already learned about some of these things during your various presentations that you've gone through over the last month that these sessions have been on. So some others are tour managers, tour guides, chauffeurs, adventure instructors, and then the last at the last we'll just cover solo travel, adventure groups, etc. And how tourism is a tool for empowering women. So the next is what the question was asked in the last session. What is the sustainable development goal that you are following, or what you are taking care of? So Srishti, I think so, if she's there in this session. So for you, it is the SDG 5. You are supporting women or providing equal opportunities to women. So this UNWTO, they have many sustainable goals. One of them is providing equal gender equality. That is goal number 5. And in this goal, how they have listed out points how you can empower women. So first is the through entrepreneurship to inspire, increase entrepreneurship for women. Education. So education is the main thing, providing training and education to women who want to become entrepreneurs or join the tourism industry. Then leadership. What we will be seeing ahead, that women in tourism are there are a lot of women. It is better than the other industry. We have some statistics also over here, which I will not, because already we are a little delayed today. So what we'll do, you can just go through these figures, which shows that women in tourism, they are doing better than other industries. If other industries, 39% of women are employed among the total thing, tourism industry employs about 54%. So this way the industry is doing better than the other industry, but still a lot of things has to be done, and especially this leadership role. Not many are taking up a leadership role in the tourism. So if your country wants to promote, the UNWTO gives a list of things. There are a lot of information available on their website. You can read their reports. They have detailed report on this. You can go through. Then community, to protect vulnerable women through community development, or tourism through projects in community. That is also, they have given a detailed report how you can promote this. And then employment, working in home-based tourism enterprises, because women, as you know, have this great barrier that they are the caretakers. So they probably cannot, after a certain age, they cannot leave their homes and go. So providing home-based enterprises. If you are meeting any of these goals, you are compiling, following the UNWTO's fifth goal, that is about gender equality. This was basically a little bit of information on that. And women in the airlines. So this is the major sector that we see women all over, not only in India, everywhere, that this is the dominating field where women, you can see women, on the ticketing counters, as flight attendants, in the airlines, everywhere. And it is very easy to get into any of these positions, because once you go through your diploma or your degree, the next option that you see is चलो कोई travel agency join कर लेते हैं, या कोई अगर flight attendant है, या कोई ticketing वाला, कोई airlines join कर लेते हैं. All these positions are very common, तो उसके बारे में I need not tell. But beyond this, you should think yourself beyond this. तो इसमें अभी देर आर वुमेन हु आर ब्रेकिंग दोज बैरियर्स. जो एक बैरियर है कि भाई टिकटिंग ही करना है, या मिडिल लेवल या लो लेवल वाला जॉब करना है, many women are breaking these barriers, and you can always get inspiration from them. So some of the airline have CEOs as women and managers. Then best is that pilots, nowadays you can see many women pilots in the commercial segment also. Sometimes when I fly, take a flight, and when I hear that your pilot is a woman today, I feel so good about it, that women are taking up these positions also. Some statistics that out of the 80,000 pilots worldwide, only 4,000 are women, and just 450 are captains out of that. So a lot of scope for women in that also. And just figure, this is the in the picture that you can see is an Air India flight that was an entirely woman operated flight, and all women crew, pilot, co-pilot, everyone. It was the first flight around the world, that is Delhi, San Francisco, Delhi. And if we have, if we could remember, I don't know if we have the time for the questions. I had a question also over here, that there was recently also we had this news during last March, I think so, that there is going to be the first flight, non-stop longest flight with an all women crew. So if anybody remembers, I don't know whether we can put questions, etc. Vikas sir,
we can put, ma'am. We can put.
तो ये क्वेश्चन है कि किसी को याद है वो कौन सी, कहाँ गई थी वो फ्लाइट, कहाँ की थी, कब थी वो, अगर हो तो
come on audience, I think you all should remember, or some of you should remember. Please raise your hand, talk, or maybe you can put answers in the chat box or Q&A box. It would be nice to have some interaction,
Correct, because otherwise boring हो जाएगा सेशन. 1 घंटे का सेशन थोड़ा बोर होता है, तो थोड़े कुछ क्वेश्चन हैं अगर किसी को, इफ एनीबडी रिमेम्बर्स. अभी की बात है ये.
Somebody is writing, ma'am, in the chat. Can you see the chat box, ma'am?
I can't see the chat box.
Okay, so I'll read out for you. Shreyansh Raj Sharma is saying that Bangalore to San Francisco. Also, Mushkan is saying Captain Zoya Agrawal lead the flight. Very good.
Correct. 17-hour non-stop route from Delhi to San Francisco. This was on the 11th of January 2021. Very nice. So you have to be updated also on these things. तो दूसरा जो important segment जो you can find women taking up these segment, that is tour operators and entrepreneurs. We have seen Srishti do it, and we have seen many other women take up. But important thing that you should understand is कि जैसे सृष्टि या सुयश या सबने बताया जो एंटरप्रेन्योर बने हैं कि डोंट डू दोज रेगुलर पैकेजेस. आपको रेगुलर पैकेजेस नहीं करने हैं. वॉट एवर एक्सपीरियंसेस दैट यू कैन डेवलप फॉर देम. तो आई हैव लिस्टेड आउट सम एक्सपीरियंसेस दैट यू कैन प्रोबेबली think of. So इसलिए I have told कि लिख के रख लो. You won't remember all these things. Some of the things that I have found, all these people, और जो right में है वो examples के साथ में है, और left वाला है cultural experiences you can give to women, or you can create wellness breaks, shopping, women को shopping बहुत पसंद है. So every city in India has its own shopping attraction. चाहे वो हैदराबाद हो, चाहे वो भोपाल हो या कहीं पे भी हो, there are shopping attractions. So a day's shopping trip, जैसे एक दिन का, 2 दिन का, 3 days, you can create this. And outdoor adventures, many women are young, especially I wouldn't say young, but definitely young, but even older women are going for it. इसमें से आप you can check on these people, go on the Girls on the Go Travel Club. Pia Bose, she's also got some awards. Then Wow Club, जो Women in Wanderlust, ये तो बहुत पुराना है, जो women के लिए niche itineraries बनाते हैं. So niche itineraries, why I am saying, because since after COVID, we are going to see a change in the travel patterns and travel behavior. People will not want to go to destinations which the herd is going, masses are going. So you will have to create these experiences, and then only you can be a successful woman entrepreneur also. और ये जो थिनालस चोरोल है, लद्दाख की फर्स्ट ट्रैवल एजेंट, फुल्ली ऑपरेटेड एंड ओन्ड बाय अ वुमन, and you should definitely go to her website and see what all she is doing. She's doing it in Ladakh. तो उसका सबसे USP है कि she has all women trekking guides. तो जो inbound tourists आते हैं इंडिया में, especially there are a lot of women who travel alone, solo travel karte, foreigners when they come, or 2 or 3. They don't normally foreigners don't travel in masses, ऐसे groups में नहीं अच्छा लगता उनको. They like to travel single or with 2 people, 3 people. तो they are comfortable, they ask for women guides. तो उसने पूरे women guides की एक टीम तैयार करी है, and they are sold out during the season. So she is in turn helping other women also gain employment, और ये भी करिए, तो दोनों गोल्स करिए. सो इनमें से कुछ भी आप फॉर यू इट विल बी, इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट लिसनिंग, तो अपने आइडियाज बनाते जाओ. दे आर डूइंग दिस, व्हाट वी कैन डू आउट ऑफ इट, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. नहीं तो फिर वो इट विल बी जस्ट अ थ्योरी लेसन फॉर यू ऑल एज यू वुड गो थ्रू इन योर क्लासेस में. तो आजकल ऑनलाइन ऐसे ही चल रहा है, बिकॉज आई टेक ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. सो आई नो कि बच्चे क्या करते हैं, ऑन करके इधर उधर गायब हो जाते हैं. सो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. एंड बहुत सारा रिसर्च करके मैंने ये सारी डिटेल्स आप लोगों के लिए निकाली है. और जैसे आई टोल्ड कि एक निश सेगमेंट ले लो, और निश सेगमेंट में क्या हो जाता है. सो हाउ डू यू टेक दिस निश, ये कैसे समझ में आएगा. So ideas that support women when you travel, whenever you are traveling. So if you want to start an enterprise, or if you want to be an entrepreneur, first thing you have to do is travel yourself. आप कम से कम 4-5 साल ट्रैवल करो, या 2 साल 3 साल खुद ट्रैवल करो, रेकी करो, एंड वो आइडियाज लिखते जाओ कि वो हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट वुमेन सेंट्रिक आइटिनरीज, हाउ व्हाट थिंग्स दैट आर देयर अवेलेबल इन दीज regions that you travel, where you can create ideas. तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा स्वामिनी और सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप has been organizing mangrove safari tourist in Manvi Creek of Vengurla since 2007. एक बहुत ही अलग कॉन्सेप्ट, इको टूरिज्म सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, मीन्स दे आर प्रोटेक्टिंग द मैनग्रोव्स ऑल्सो ऑफ मानवी क्रीक, एंड दे आर सपोर्टिंग वेंगुर्ला. एक वीडियो है सर, which I wanted to play.
Yes ma'am. वो आपके पास है?
ये लिंक है उस पे.
अच्छा, एक मिनट रुकिए. पुष्कर, यस पुष्कर,
देखो क्या उसमें. Can't see this video. ये नहीं प्ले हो रहा.
मैम वो प्ले होगा, एक मिनट, जो शेयर हुआ है ना उधर से ही होगा. पुष्कर विल डू इट, वेट, हैंग ऑन मैम.
पुष्कर करेगा क्या?
हाँ मैम, उधर से ही होगा. आपने किया था ना अभी आपका प्रेजेंटेशन.
हाँ
हाँ, एक मिनट रुक जाइए, मैं what we will do it from our end. पुष्कर, can we play this link? और मैम आप YouTube में कर रही हैं ना प्ले?
नहीं, मैं कर नहीं रही हूँ अभी।
मैम आप
Yes, I'm
YouTube पे
there,
प्ले
sir.
करिए।
Please hold on.
हाँ,
करूँ, मैं शेयर करूँ कि कोई कर रहा है? ठीक है, आई थिंक सो ही इज डूइंग। हाँ, साउंड नहीं है।
आवाज येते ना?
You can see these Vengurla Creek में they are making tourists aware also of
तो ग्रुप आहे तो पूर्ण फिशर वुमेन आहे.
This is led by fisherwomen of the area, and they
आम्हाला
have
2
2
बोट्स
boats.
आहेत. त्या इंजिन विरहित आहेत, म्हणजे इंजिन नाही आहेत त्यांना. पर्यावरणाचं समतोल राखण्यासाठी आम्ही ते वळवतो. म्हणजे 10 टुरिस्टना आम्ही बोटमध्ये घेऊन त्या 1.5 किलोमीटरच्या अंतरात त्यांना मॅनग्रोव्ह स्पेशीज दाखवतो.
हा प्रोजेक्टचा मेन उद्देश काय तर आम्हाला मँग्रोवची झाडं वाचवायची आहेत, ती जास्तीत जास्त कशी टिकवायची हा आमचा प्रोजेक्टचा मेन मुद्दा.
ठीक है, so this was about it, a brief video. There is a longer video also on YouTube about them. So these are ecotourism ideas. Abhi what some of the ideas you can how you they must have generated, because somebody must have traveled and helped these women. What you can do, help these women market such kind of tours. They are not able to market. ये कोई remote सी जगह में creek है और वहाँ पे women are supporting. You as women probably can contact them and do some marketing for them. अपने tours में include करो. जब भी बॉम्बे या इस साइड का कोई tour हो, probably include that in your itineraries. दिख रहा है सबको? हेलो,
Yes, ma'am.
दिख रहा है ना? हेलो, hello, can you hear, can you see? Because I can't see now anyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
we can hear you.
you can continue. It's on a community-based tourism, responsible tourism slide.
Yeah, community based. दूसरा एक example मैंने लिया है community based experiences against जो SDG है, it is involved in this. And एक सेवा self employed women's association है जिसका Airbnb के साथ MOU करके what they are doing is they are helping these women. Now Airbnb is a tourism, is an accommodation portal, you can say. They provide accommodation to people who want to lend out their homes to tourists. So what they have done, they have contacted some rural women. One of these example that I've given is from Gujarat's Patan district, and they are they train these women to take up homestays, and they in turn they can also sell their craft that they are making, food that they prepare. So it is a whole thing, and marketing is done by Airbnb. So you can probably call Airbnb and tie up some help tie up some community based things that are there. Kutch, this is a village in Kutch, in Gujarat, and very poor. So they are helping these poor women, or these this craft is really in demand all over the world. But again, they didn't have the how to sell this. So Airbnb is helping them. Probably you can generate your own idea out of this and start something of your own. This is another segment that women really prefer, voluntary tourism. And why women take this is also a psychology, because whenever you are planning a niche segment, first you have to do a psychological analysis or behavioral analysis of the segment that you want to target. Now 70% of women of all volunteer travelers are women, so probably you would want to target some women who want to take up this voluntary tourism. And because women are less likely to gift themselves for holiday. उनको लगता है कि घर छोड़ के कैसे जाएंगे, बच्चों को संभालना, all those things. So अपने आप को कभी travel gift नहीं करते. By voluntary tourism they are doing is थोड़ा सा एक guilt factor कम की they are not being selfish. And इसमें niche segment आप जो target कर सकते हो, they are either widowed, separated or retired and looking for to start something new. So they can go and stay. Long stays भी होती है voluntary tourism में, 7 days, 15 days, 2 months, 6 months. एंड एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मैंने एग्जांपल दिया है, रूरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर सोशल एलिवेशन, दैट इज रोज. इंडिया में बहुत है, लोकेटेड इन कांदा, अ विलेज नियर बागेश्वर इन उत्तराखंड. तो वहां क्या सेगमेंट चाहिए, उसमें से 2-4 ऐसे अपनी आइटनरीज टेक करो और रेकी करो पहले. देन ओनली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या उसमें हो सकता है. पार्टिसिपेट इन कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क, बहुत सारे हिली एरियाज में है ये सारा वॉलेंट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. तो फार्मिंग, पिकलिंग कर सकते हो, बिकॉज विंटर सीजन के लिए वो बहुत सारा स्टोरेज करते हैं. टू असिस्ट द विलेजर्स विद डेली एक्टिविटीज एंड टीच वेरियस सब्जेक्ट्स टू देयर स्टूडेंट्स, क्योंकि वहाँ पे most of the students they don't go to school, so probably वो voluntary activity आप कर सकते हो. Now ये तो 3-4 हो गए niche segment as an entrepreneur जो आप take up कर सकते हो. Then there are some very interesting other opportunities which normally women in India are not doing. That is women tour guides. And approximately 120 only female guides there are. Guide की list होती है MOT के, ADTOI जो है, they put up a list of
Hello, Pushkar. I think we lost ma'am's connection. Could you please check? Dear attendees, just to give some time, I think there is some technical issues. Please allow us some time. She had some power cut issue, so she's connecting us soon. Please bear with us. In the meanwhile, if I can allow Dr. Muhammad, if you are there, you can share your experience on how generally the mindset of the girls who are trying to enter into the education for, especially for tourism and hospitality. What do you see? What kind of a change, or what kind of behavior, or what kind of acceptance for the industry they have it? Dr. Muhammad.
Please come back. Can you
Yes,
ask?
Dr. Muhammad. I asked, in the meanwhile, ma'am joins. I wanted to have your opinion on what kind of behavior change or maybe acceptance, especially for the girls who are joining the tourism and hospitality program. What do you see? How do you differentiate that?
Yeah, for now, if you are seeing more of the girls are joining this tourism industry, maybe the safety and security issues earlier they have been resolved when our government is working on this, and also entrepreneurship and development. Women are coming up with the policies of women liberalization and women empowerment. So they are, yes, they have a lot of options and opportunities. So they are coming up, but the rate is slow. But they should involve in this, especially we should come shoulder to shoulder. Both the sexes are the same, so they are working on this. And as far as the student rate is concerned, if they're coming up to their colleges and all, about I see they are almost proportional. But we want those girls and to be in the market also, to do something good for the community as well. So that is my opinion. And what else did you ask?
Especially also, if you can suggest on a parents mindset, because a lot of time what happens that parents take a really crucial role when the students are choosing the industry, sometime, not always. So do you think such kind of situation arise during the admission time, and then they want to do but they are not getting permission, something like this, if you have come across such kind of situation with your students?
Yeah, sometime it happens that parents are thinking about the career opportunities. Basically, it's a lack of information to the parents as well, students as well. So if the information we deliver them correctly, like this kind of platform we are having, data or events, so now the parent is more aware. Earlier it was not like that. Parents were thinking that what will be the future prospect, how will they do, what kind of industry it is, because they haven't seen the exposure level. They still the conventional, the traditional things they have been thinking. So now we need to promote it well. We need to create in the minds of parents that this industry has a lot of potential, and we are seeing there are different countries. The whole economy is dependent on, like Singapore, Dubai, if you see. So many countries are working on tourism industry, and new generations, they are working in that. They are the current phase, they will be our future. So we have to promote somehow, and these kind of programs are well done, then it will work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving your opinion. I have here Mosmi. Mosmi, if you can share some of your experience, how did you got into this course, and what was the your parents opinion before you joining the course? So give us some of your thoughts, so that the attendees, also the girls, I would be happy to listen to the experience of different attendees. Please share, Mosmi, you.
I totally endorse, sir. Whatever Mohammed sir told to us, that there is a lack of information about that industry, which bother the parents, that there is no such bright future in tourism industry. Although there is a mindset in the society, like if you want your secure future, you should go for a government jobs. Either after graduation, you should prepare for SSC or banking, railways, Or if you have a science background, then NEET is an option. And if you are from a maths background, so the general perception is to just go for engineering. So it's all about lack of information and lack of guidance. We are lucky to have this detour, which boosting our knowledge and expanding our mental horizon that what reality tourism industry is. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Mosmi. So just on extending, okay, ma'am is here. Ma'am, yes, we were talking something with the audience. So welcome back, ma'am.
Sorry for the disturbance.
Living in the kind of a technology era, and it happens.
Yeah,
No issues,
because
ma'am.
you know what happens, Zoom has this problem and Google Meet does not have this problem, but then Google Meet does not have a lot of things, you know.
Features.
Yeah.
Yes. No issues, ma'am. You can continue, ma'am.
This was we were talking about these Taj Safari naturalist trainings that you could probably take up, and they are, because wildlife is still open, and in the pandemic also a lot of wildlife parks are there, so probably you can check up their websites. Taj Safaris that I know, they provide trainings, but there are certain Pagdandi safaris also, those upmarket resorts in the in the national parks. They have their own naturalists, they don't depend on the forest officer, so they have their own. So probably you can take those trainings, or then support these guides, these women guides who are taking trainings. Probably you can support them when you plan your itineraries. Next no, next thing. This is previous, yeah. So another tour guide, it's not a guide, another profession that I would say in demand is, because a lot of women are taking up adventure tourism, and this is a mandatory requirement by the Adventure Tour Association or the Ministry of Tourism, that if there are women, you know, on your trip or in your group, you have to have a woman instructor in the whole group. So and there are no women instructors for adventure tourism. So it is it can be a good opportunity for you all, that you take up these small adventure tourism courses for mountaineering. There are many institutes. One of them I've listed is Nehru Institute of Mountaineering in Uttarakashi, and then National Water Sports Institute, Goa. What we have seen, one of the panelists discuss about the opportunities even women can take up, because if there are women doing the adventure sports, then women guides are required, women instructors are required. This example I've taken from a very good adventure tourism site near Nagpur, that is Ramtek, and they have a whole team of women. You can see in one of the pictures that the guides, because there are no official guides or trained guides available, what they do is they take trainees, they train them, and now they have got a group of all the girls sitting in the front row are their women instructors, and all the women who cook and everything. It is a fully site managed by women. So a lot of examples for you from this as well. Next slide. Then this is a very interesting profession that people sitting at home, probably not sitting at home, you need to travel to write a travel blog, but at your own pace you can do. And some of the examples for your, there are a lot of travel bloggers. Again, the market or the internet is flooded with vloggers and travel bloggers, etc. You need to find your niche, what you want to do. You know, Shivya Nath, as you can see, is she's got one of the best travel blogger award also. You can aim to be like her and see her blogs. First thing that you would want to do if you want to become a travel blogger is follow these girls who are doing travel blogging or vlogging. You can do vlogs also. And example is, if someone remembers this popular heroine? Can someone give me the name? She this movie also is based on one of the travel writers, famous travel writers, Elizabeth Gilbert. She wrote a book first, which was a New York Times bestseller, and later on it went on to become a Hollywood blockbuster. Eat, Pray, Love. If you have seen the movie, and the heroine is a favorite heroine of mine. Does anyone know?
Julia Roberts.
Julia Roberts, correct. And if you have seen the all women who are traveling, and all some of the movies are there which you can see to increase your passion for travel. I would suggest this is one of it, and definitely you can see this and get inspired. Next slide, sir. I'm going a bit fast because as it is, we are a little late and we lost some time. You can stop me if you find this is a little fast, or you need to ask something, or you need to note down something. That also you can ask. This is another aspect that is picking up: women in transport. Again, a woman as taxi drivers. We didn't see many women taxi drivers, and there is a security issue. You know that if single women are traveling, it's difficult for them to travel alone with a male driver. So they would prefer women as drivers. So this profession also has picked up. There are Ola and Uber also are hiring, or they are including women in their fleet of cars. Uber, and 30% of Uber drivers are females, and Ola has around 19%. What you can do about it? That G Adventures is a company. What they did, they partnered with a company who has women drivers. Women in Wheels is a company who train women drivers, taxi chauffeurs, and they pick up women who want to take this profession, train them, and G Adventures has tied up with this company, and they whenever there is a pickup, all their itineraries include women from this company. So this is how you can support, or probably search for women who are search for companies who are doing. Sakhi is one of the companies. They also have a woman chauffeured radio cab to provide transport for women commuters and towards women's empowerment. तो आप लोग जब अपने itineraries बनाओ, if you want to create a company completely a women based itinerary, और especially in Indian tourists, तो आपको guides women चाहिए होंगे. Even cabs that you would need you would need a women drivers to pick up. तो इनको support कर सकते हो, और ऐसी एक itinerary create कर सकते हो where everything that you are providing is women based. Next. पॉलिसी मेकिंग में टूरिज्म में चाहिए लोग. अगर पॉलिसी वुमेन सेंट्रिक होगी, देन ओनली वुमेन का एम्पावरमेंट ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. देयर आर मेनी कंट्रीज पॉलिसी मेकिंग में है. इफ यू ऑल हैव सीन दिस वेबिनार्स, अभी इंडिया टूरिज्म मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टूरिज्म के बहुत सारे वेबिनार्स हुए थ्रू आउट दिस सेशन, थ्रू आउट दिस लॉकडाउन. देखो अपना देश, अगर किसी ने देखे होंगे वो सीरीज है, बहुत अच्छी सीरीज है. इफ यू वांट टू रियली सेल इंडिया, यू कैन सी दोज सीरीज. तो हमारी जो असिस्टेंट एडिशनल डायरेक्टर है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टूरिज्म में, शी इज अ वुमेन. शी हैज बीन द फोर्स बिहाइंड डूइंग दोज वेबिनार्स. तो किसी को पता है कौन है वो? नेम ऑफ द आवर फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, एडिशनल डायरेक्टर, शी इज अ वुमेन. If you have seen those webinars, तो आप लोग को याद आएगा. नहीं तो I'll tell you at the end. TAI एक ऐसा ट्रैवल एजेंट्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया is the only association in India which has a women cell. तो FICCI के साथ उन्होंने tie up किया. FICCI Ladies Wing से they have signed up for on an MOU with Ministry of Tourism to train about 15,000 women across India for tourism. तो टूर गाइड्स बनने के लिए, होम स्टेज डेवलप करने के लिए, इवन कियोस्क फूड, अपना फूड सेल करने के लिए, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स के लिए because there are women in the policy making, maybe hai, or that post you have to be there. So to reach that post, what you will have to do, what career options you have to, probably higher degrees and then apply for some जो अपने courses होते हैं और UPSC exams होते हैं, you can go through that segment also, or slowly and slowly Ministry of local जो tourism departments होते हैं, MP tourism or Kerala tourism, you can join this and grow up to that level. If you have done MBA in tourism, probably some of the tourism departments, they are hiring people from MBA in tourism. MP tourism, I heard of that last time they had done, and more people, because ज़्यादातर दिखते वहाँ पे non-tourism people है, but more and more from our industry should take up these positions, and especially women should take up, because if women are there, then only policies would be made, like we have this TIE and FICCI ka MOU. Next, sir. Next. Next slide. Hello. Next है. ठीक है. So we have finished with. Have we finished, sir? हो गया क्या सारा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है, अभी travelers पे जाएंगे. We'll go for the travelers now. If you have, ये एक और slide थी, that is MOT initiatives. Ministry of Tourism के कुछ initiatives है, which I don't know, I can't see that slide over here. Before this, it is there. Anyway, I'll just talk about it a little bit. आप Ministry of Tourism में कौन से MP tourism कर रहा है, they are hiring about 5,000 women as tours experts and KBs and hotel staff, and improving security in their state. Then Uttarakhand government is doing, Maharashtra government is trying to make a policy, correct this one, on enhancing women-centric facilities to attract solo travelers. क्योंकि जैसे solo travelers बढ़ रहे हैं, these governments also are taking women-friendly initiatives. So you can tap these websites और उनको contact करके अपने itineraries बनाने, और probably be an entrepreneur with them. Provide homestays. 2-4 women का homestay develop करके, you can help them list their homestay in probably one of these government. Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, ये सब लोग बहुत अच्छा. Even Goa and Karnataka, they have lot of homestays which are being run by women. This was one. Now we move next up. अभी हम travelers के और जाएंगे कि women travelers कैसे होते हैं. Business travelers है, leisure traveler है, and leisure में एक segment है solo and women only groups. तो इसको आप, all the men who are there on the session today, they can probably create niche out. Business travelers so have been there since quite a lot of time. जो women business travelers, so बहुत सारे hotels हैं women centric facilities provide कर रहे हैं. So if you are want to start a business travel company, you can probably have tie-ups with these hotels and these cab agencies also. So have you ever traveled or met someone who has traveled solo? So what you do is I have put up this question for you to take down points whenever you find somebody who's traveled solo. तो आप उनकी requirements, needs note down करो, understand what they actually want, and उनको क्या niche market, and then probably start your own solo travel company. First you try to travel solo yourself, or in a woman only group में travel करो खुद, leaving aside your families and all. Just go with a group and understand कि किस type के लोग आते हैं, what are their requirement, and then probably create a tourism potential for yourself. Next, sir. ये थोड़ा सा मैंने ऐसे ही डाला है क्योंकि ज्यादातर वी सी की वास्को द गामा और ये सारे वो मेन ट्रैवलर्स आज तक हमने सुने जिन्होंने एक्सप्लोर किए वर्ल्ड, बट इट इज नॉट द केस. Some of the three names that I have put, लेडी हेस्टर स्टेनोक और एक हैरियट एडम्स है, एंड नेली ब्लाय जो है, she took that around the world in 80 days वाला जो first time she traveled and broke that barrier कि women भी ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं. इसमें एक क्वेश्चन डाला हुआ है, फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन टू लैंड ऑन मून. जो भी आंसर देगा उसको फ्री ट्रिप टू मून. कोई है? डू यू रिमेम्बर फर्स्ट लेडी वुमेन टू लैंड ऑन द मून एंड ऑन द माउंट एवरेस्ट? एनी वन ऑफ द आंसर्स इफ यू हैव.
क्या हाल है? बढ़िया है.
कल्पना चावला करे. और माउंट एवरेस्ट पे इंडियन वुमेन. बचेंद्री पाल, करेक्ट. बोथ आर करेक्ट. सो वी विल गिव देम अ ट्रिप टू, सोवियत नहीं थी, इंडियन वो पहली सोवियत थी, पहली वुमेन, इंडियन वुमेन आई हैड आस्क्ड. So we'll give them a trip to. Sir, next conclave में इन लोग को trips free to moon provide करना. So women travelers not only have been traveling from ancient times and exploring the world, they have been they have landed on the moon, and they've also explored Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal, to she has her own academy now and trains a lot of women guides also, and she is doing a lot of things which you can check on her website. Next, sir. Next business traveler का है solo, नहीं business traveler, हाँ. This is the largest segment actually, solo women या जो group में travel करते हैं वो, this is the largest segment of women travelers. So there are many hotels and there are many female even train and etc providing facilities for. They have understood that their need की safety सबसे बड़ा important उनके लिए होता है. So whenever you are planning, if you are a travel agent, if you have corporate clients, and if you have a lot of women travelers, you try and provide these services to them. Check out for a hotel which is having women only floors, then and all those things which women would need, ironing boards, hair dryers, and spa, etc. they need. So try and provide these things to the women travelers that you have on your in your office, or whatever women clients that you would be handling. And even ladies compartment are there in Mumbai locals, but definitely not bookable. Japan has a female only train. You can find out other options also. And recently Vistara, I think so, must be the first airline, domestic airline in India, which is providing special facilities for women. It is they have already launched a preferred seating and baggage transport assistance for female flyers, क्योंकि baggage बहुत होता है उनके पास में, and they need assistance for if they are single, so that is a hassle for them. That is they are providing. You can probably check with Vistara and get more details on that. Most of some things that I am stating now maybe have been discontinued because of COVID. So you need to check the latest status of this. Next, sir. Solo woman traveler. This is my favorite. And you can all travel solo. All the women, they definitely should travel, I think so, solo. And you should understand the need of a solo traveler. So when you travel yourself solo, you understand the need of a solo traveler, why they travel and what is the need. So mostly it is the pursuit of adventure, being independent, feeling of personal fulfillment, individuality and escape, and new life perspective. So yeah, because I travel solo, so and I have experienced myself how it feels when you are out there alone as a solo travel. I have gone with groups also, but one or two trips I've taken completely solo. Usme, if I now want to start a travel agency or a startup or any small initiative where I want to attract only women, I will understand what their needs are. अभी ये बैकपैकर हॉस्टल है जोस्टल्स, उन्होंने एक सर्वे में किया कि 80% इंक्रीज इन सोलो वुमेन ट्रैवलर, सो सच अ बिग मार्केट फॉर यू टू एक्सप्लोर. डेफिनेटली जब ट्रैवल करोगे 4-5 ट्रिप्स यू कैन टेक, एंड हॉस्टल्स आर द बेस्ट अकोमोडेशन that you can take up or you can suggest to these women travelers. Most of these hostels have women only dormitories. They are cheap but very excellent in providing whatever they and they are safe also, cheap and safe and best accommodation for women, solo women travelers. The next slide sir. all women groups, ये तो बहुत अभी common हो गया. I think so केसरी tours was one of the first travel companies जो My Fair Lady उन्होंने एक tours चालू किए थे. Thailand, here in the advertisement you can see that Thailand is a destination, as people who are there in the tourism industry would understand. Thailand is destination jo mostly men go. Either you go with families or you go with only men travel to that destination. But there are no women only tours. So what they did very smartly, they introduced sorry no men karke ek all women departure to Thailand. So they understood their requirement, freedom to enjoy themselves, what freedom they won't get if they are some of the women they cannot travel solo, or it would take time for women to take up a solo travel. तो उसके पहले क्या कर सकते हैं, एक go alone on a women only tour which has all the other women. So usme you get that confidence of traveling alone away from your family. You don't have that hassle, bacche hai, khaya nahi khaya, all those things. And I have really taken up a tour jisme ki they were all women and they were all left their families behind. मतलब सबके बड़े बड़े बच्चे थे, वो छोड़ के उनको आए, and they had a lifetime experience of some of them had first time they had left their homes without their families. तो इतना अच्छा लगा उनको. So ये वाले tours भी आप develop कर सकते हो. But I would suggest अभी केसरी और Thomas Cook are developing run of the masses वाला tour. वैसे भी है लोग जो mass tourism भी जाते हैं. There are some destinations which you can probably, जैसे थाईलैंड जैसा डेस्टिनेशन आप अकेले नहीं ट्रैवल कर सकते हो वुमेन, so probably you would need a group, or if it is an adventure, आप ट्रैकिंग कर रहे हो तो भी आप सोलो जाना थोड़ा सा रिस्की होता है. So probably an all women group I would suggest, and all the major tour operators or I would say adventure tour operators also have all women departures also. तो ये भी आप उनके first you have to understand why women would travel, which segment would travel. I would say people women abhi I just took last year only I had taken a trip wherein one of the women I had traveled, she has grown up daughters, adult daughters, but she herself had never left her home alone. So her daughters were so worried कि मम्मी कैसे करेगी, मतलब जैसे बच्चों को मम्मियाँ पूछती है कि जाके पहुंच गए क्या. So her daughters were calling her up every 2 hours 3 hours checking on her कि अरे मम्मी कैसे अकेले कभी बाहर नहीं निकली है. But she was feeling so nice. Probably this is one segment, middle income group के women who have not left their homes. You can travel also with them. You can plan itineraries for them. Next, sir. Narrowing the gap. This is जो 5 हमने SDG के गोल दिए थे उसको देखते हुए how do we what are the things that we need to do to empower women, या क्या हमारे barriers क्या है, what are the barriers that we have to break this glass ceiling of women in the travel industry. तो gender norms है, core roles women के होते हैं, कि घर में हाउस होल्ड एक्टिविटीज एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, तो टाइम नहीं है, डोमेस्टिक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है. सो हाउ टू ब्रेक दैट बैरियर एंड हाउ टू डेवलप टूवर्ड्स is what you can take away from this slide that I have created. Discrimination role होता है, men are the risk takers, mostly जो भी risk है, entrepreneur वाला risk है या कोई भी risk है, men लेते हैं. So try and provide that opportunity to women. Stereotypes, certain businesses we have already seen, transport they have broken the barrier, wildlife safaris we have seen, which are not suitable for women. Pilots, cruise ships, एक slide थी sir शायद वो miss हुई. Cruise ship पहली cruise ship है Celebrity Cruises, जो कि all women crew था उसके ऊपर, and they have it set sailed in, I think so again 2020 or 21 only. That so they have broken every stereotype, and you can probably help in taking this forward. Forms of gender violence, sexual harassment on the tours. So you have to, if you are planning tours, this is a very important aspect that you need to take care of. Sexual harassment that can happen with women who are there on the tour, or as working professionals also. Whenever you are working in big companies, there are women cells. Nowadays it has become quite strict. There are, but still sexual harassment happens, and you should be able to address that. Then sex tourism, this is one of the negative aspects of tourism, that women can be exploited for sex tourism also. So when जब आप communities में ये tourism develop करते हो, especially rural or marginalized women, you have to ensure that this does not happen. And then last is lack of access to education and advanced trainings. So this is one of the SDG का goal ही है कि you have to provide them education and advanced training. Now this is not necessarily आपका travel and tourism का course. You can provide them with housekeeping का या कोई भी, to create some craft etc. also can be provided to them. Next sir. Next. ये वर्क फ्रॉम होम का अभी कुछ नहीं हो रहा, और अभी क्या ऑप्शन करे. सो आई केम अप विद दिस मेक माई ट्रिप का. ये पहले से है बट स्टिल इट इज देयर. इफ यू कैन सी दिस वीडियो, मेक माई ट्रिप का है गो MMT. This is only for women who have taken a break from their household activities, या उसकी वजह से घर के issues की वजह से break लिया है, उनके लिए specially they have these opportunities. And there are many other who can provide. Content writer है, बहुत सारा opportunities है. If for women who have taken a break from their regular careers, क्योंकि career में उनको सबसे ज़्यादा problem होती है कि अब if you have growing kids, you cannot, you have to stay at home and be with your kids. So gap आ जाता है. वो gap के बाद में कैसे start करना. So MMT has provided this Make My Trip. तो पुष्कर ये वीडियो है एक, अगर आप प्ले कर सको तो they can see what options MMT has. हो रहा है प्ले सर? Thank you, sir. So this is a very good option for people who've taken a break, for women who've taken a break. So next slide is just some of my pictures that I've put just to, whatever travel stories I have developed on in my life. Some trips that I did solo, some trips, trekking trips that I did with a group, and some women only tours. The first photograph, so you can see, all those middle-aged women are there, and all kinds of women you will find on this type of trip. So this was a slow-paced itinerary. That is what I learned, that you cannot have a very hard adventure in this, very soft adventure, because some of them probably left their homes for the first time. तो ये मेरे travel stories थे. That is all about opportunities and how probably you can empower women through traveling, providing incomes. This is the last slide, to all the women in the tourism industry. बहुत सारे beautiful women are there. We've seen some of them. These are the references. Yeah, shine a light on the individual and collective challenges women around the globe face, and inspire to give back to the communities you encounter. So this must be your motto, that whenever you are traveling as a woman, you should try and empower other women. Take up handicrafts. Don't buy handicrafts which are not very touristy types. Eat from a place where you can support a woman, or buy some handicrafts, so things like this, so that you give back to the community even if you are traveling, and definitely when you work as in the tourism industry. Thanks a lot. Some references I've put up on the slide if you would want to take that down. मैंने कुछ वेबसाइट्स नोट डाउन किए अगर आपको ट्रैवल राइटर बनने के लिए. देयर आर मेनी, एक्चुअली मेनी ऑफ देम. आजकल तो कुछ जरूरत नहीं है, बट स्टिल. एंड देन वी ओपन अप टू क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी 6:30. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I would like to open the floor. If somebody has a question, I see a lot of girls are still sticking to the session, and I thank you. Even the guys are there, so thank you all for sticking to the session. Please ask any question if you have. Raise your hand, or you can put the question in the Q&A or a chat box. It would be easy for ma'am to answer. Also, you can share your stories if you want to share some of your thoughts, that how you are taking the initiative.
If someone, yeah, correct. If you have traveled solo, if you have had a bad experience also, and if you would have had a good experience, you can share that with us.
Yeah, it would be nice. We can learn from each other. So good that you can share your experience.
I would like to share my solo experience was that I made a lot of friends. Suppose if whenever I travel with my family, what happens, we tend to when you go to a restaurant you to eat, you take up your table, you eat, and you leave out. You have your own jokes, you have your own talks to do. But when you are traveling solo, then there'll be other people, you can probably join them and for food and take up a conversation. So over the 5-6 days that I took, I had done Amritsar and Varanasi both solo, and both the places I made a friend from Germany. She had come all the way from Germany to Dalhousie. She is a follower of Dalai Lama. So she was such a wonderful woman. And then I made some friends from New Zealand, Australia. They had come from New Zealand. And I just went for, in Varanasi, I went for breakfast, and they asked me, can we join you, ma'am, if you are alone? So I told, yeah. And they happened to be, and they paid for my breakfast, because he told, no, ma'am, it is not good. I'm going to pay for your breakfast. And they were ready to take me to Sarnath with them. Since you're alone, would you like to join? I told, no, I'm traveling solo. I don't want to join. So that are good experiences कि आप अपने दोस्त बनाते हो. All those friends I wouldn't have made if I would have traveled with my family or my friends that I already know. तो वो एक experience मेरा है, अच्छा experience. So if anybody else has that, they can share. Yeah, Muskan has a question that how, so when, we have discussed over these slides, that you can probably, give them contact numbers of people who are going to meet them. Like if they have a tour guide who is a woman, if you are providing a cab also, which is driven by a woman chauffeur, and all those things if you provide, then probably they are safer with them. And show them, when I had booked my accommodation, what I did was I called them up personally and sent them 2 3 mails, and then I got that confidence, nahi ye अच्छे लोग हैं. So that is how that confidence developed. So first time definitely that fear is going to be there कि आप जो होटल में रह रहे हो या जो कैब वाला लेने आएगा वो ठीक होगा कि नहीं. That fear is going to be there, and that can be broken if you provide them with the contact details and probably make them speak to them before they travel. So that confidence is developed ki haan ye banda acha hai. That way you can do. Does that satisfy your question, Muskan?
Muskan, you can raise your hand. You can talk also if you want to.
Yeah, you can
And I
talk
would just
also.
want to add few things. Ma'am, as you said, no, the women taxi driver. A lot of countries have only women taxis, and you can, when I was in Dubai, they were like pink taxis in the city, and they were like,
that only.
yeah. So that was a very good example of even the entrepreneurship or a startup for the or the self-employment for the girls and the women, also for the destination, to keep the safer environment and give a confidence to the international and domestic tourist. So that's one thing. Now recently MP Tourism has done Tigress on Wheel, or on Tigress on Wheel. I think there was a campaign, and there were like around 12 bullet riders. I don't remember exactly
I had
the
put
12.
that slide. I removed that because it was becoming too big.
Okay. Just giving example that they have traveled to all over MP a few days, and the MP tourism is again giving message that MP is safe for women. So such kind of things are giving confidence for even young entrepreneurs or job seekers that they can do something well in this segment. There is another question: provide women for every service. Muskan has a question, ma'am. If you can address it, please.
Not every service, I would say, but you can definitely at least call them up. Like the hostel that I stayed, I ensured that I spoke to those people before I. So probably you can give them the number ahead of the tour that it starts, or the guide who's going to be there. They can speak to them, and that comfort level comes when you have spoken to them, or if you have already taken up the tour yourself first, you've done a Reiki of that tour, then probably you would be able to. What is important? Yeah, you can probably, if you have traveled yourself, now I have traveled, so I know that this place is safe. Or you can take references from people who have already been to that place, or use those services. So that is going to help. Yeah, definitely India is known to be a destination. When I was staying in that hostel, उसमें 4 लड़कियां बाहर से आई थी. मतलब one was from Ireland, one from Israel. तो उनका सबका यही कंसर्न था कि they are not safe with Indian men. They don't feel safe with Indian men. I mean, not that all men are like that, but their discussion was going on. I was sleeping and they were having this discussion, how harassed they feel when they travel, but you can provide them with services as much as possible. ये इनबाउंड के लिए थोड़ा ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है. और किसका है क्वेश्चन है? if someone is planning for long duration travel, what important points does she has to keep in mind for it? Long distance travel, if you are, if the woman is traveling, first is do a lot of research. When I had booked my hostels, I had done a lot of, nowadays reviews are available online. So you can check the reviews first and plan the itinerary first. If you're going first time, do a destination which you know is safe for women. Like I had gone to Amritsar and I'd taken a Varanasi because there are a lot of women travelers. So there are a lot of accommodation which accept women, single women, or but foreigners, they don't bother. The women that I had, they were hardly 18-20-year-old girls, who had left their homes just to explore the world. And that is what you learn when you travel solo. You are not the only one, you who has left home and coming outside to travel. There are so many women. I met so many, all young, 18, 20, 22-year-old. Maybe in India, we start traveling. Now the concept is picking up in the last 8-10 years. But when we were young, हमको तो कोई घर से नहीं निकलने देता इतने वो स्टेज में. So longer itineraries बनाने के लिए probably पूरा आप रिसर्च करो, रिव्यूज देखो और बात करो. मतलब बात करने से बहुत एक सेफ्टी लेवल फील होता है. And talk to your friends who travel. Nowadays you can follow these blogs. बहुत women travelers blogs लिख रहे हैं. So you can, there are at least 100 travel blogs specially dedicated for women. You can read those blogs, take their suggestions and make itineraries. Only 2 for Women's Day, that would be led. Very good. Yeah, you can do that, Suyash. You can come up with some, bicycle tours within your city, and you can do something, and especially target those women who have never come out of, you feel so happy when they come out of their homes and travel. वो बहुत अच्छी एक फीलिंग होती है कि you have empowered those women to be independent. So I would request all these entrepreneurs to वो टारगेट करो, क्योंकि बहुत मार्केट है वो अपने इंडिया में, बहुत बड़ा मार्केट है वुमेन ट्रैवलर्स का. What other question? Yeah, is convincing parents is a if I think of my mother for solo traveling, that is definitely a problem. I had a problem with my family when when I told that I'm going solo. But you have to take that step. Matlab, you have to tell ki nahi, take a smaller journey first, and probably where there are some relatives nearby. And don't stay with the relatives. You stay in your backpacker hostel, and then your parents also get convinced, or you show them some stories. Probably what you can do is keep connected to them through your WhatsApp or through your Facebook, or just share your stories with them so that they feel that you are safe wherever you are going. Give them the numbers that you are going to stay at, hotel का number दे दो, या जो भी जिससे भी आप, अगर टूर ऑपरेटर के साथ जा रहे हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. बट सोलो इफ यू आर गोइंग, देन शेयर स्टोरी. जो अभी मैं कपल न्यूजीलैंड वाला बता रही हूँ, दैट वुमन मस्ट बी अराउंड 55-60, but still she was they were boyfriend and girlfriend. She was around 60 or something, and she is telling that my parents and my family is continuously, I have to update them where I have landed now. So उतने को भी करना पड़ता है कन्विंस. तो जो यंग ट्रैवल कर रहे हो उनको तो डेफिनेटली करना पड़ेगा. But keep them updated. Start with smaller tours, day trips, and then when they get convinced कि हाँ you are comfortable, आप अपने आप हैंडल कर पाओगे खुद को, तो they will allow longer trips also the next time that you travel. जिसने पूछा था ये क्वेश्चन, is that the right answer? I mean, is the sufficient answer? Would you be able to convince?
Yes, I think any other question, if you have, or comment, Muskan, you already answered, ma'am, right? Muskan's question.
Yeah, Muskan's I already answered.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. So I think we are all done. If anyone has any other question, you can put it. Ma'am, you can put your email address or a number if you want to share to the girls if they want to consult in future something with you. It would be nice to have a mentor like you so that they can have, more confident while they're entering into the industry. So that's what I would like to say. Masumi, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am, for encouraging and guiding us how the research work is done and what are the changes you can do. Surely the young minds and the developing more of the ideas and leading the way as a researcher. Thank you so much, ma'am, for guiding us the betterment that can be done in tourism industry. Thanking you once again and hope to listen you soon in the near future. I would like to call Mr. Vikas sir to give a thank you note.
Thank you, Mosmi, and thank you, ma'am. As always, you have been great support for us since the beginning. I remember, if some of you already here, I remember ma'am has last year ma'am was a part of the conclave at in Amarkantak, and she was leading the a big group of Hislop College, Nagpur, and we had a great time, great learning from ma'am. And ma'am, you have been always inspiring to all the students you have taught before, and also still you are teaching. So I would like to thank you from Ritor and our team that you have been great support, and look forward to have such sessions with you. And thank you all the attendees. I think it was a great long session today, and I think you enjoyed, and whatever piece of information you got it for your career, and you're shaping up your career, it would be our duty to really provide that. So thank you, and we will have some announcement, Mosmi, for tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Now I would like
Okay,
to
thank you.
announce for 27th February session, that is a panel discussion on 2 p.m. onwards. It's about scaling, rescaling, and upskilling. Prepare for the future, followed by awards and recognition ceremony from 3:30 p.m. Now we are officially closing the session. Thank you all for joining.
Thank you.
Hello.
Can we have a picture with ma'am? Ma'am, are you there? Still, yes. Can you put on the camera so that we can have a group picture? Mosmi, you also should come. And Pushkar, if you can pin all of us, it would be nice to click a picture with the ma'am. Mosmi also can join. Yes. Can we have a namaste, ma'am?
I'm
Can do
holding
the
a
namaste.
phone. I'm holding a phone.
Yes,
Can I-
Mosmi.
my video is not, I can't see my video. It's
Ma'am, we
stopped.
can see you. Mosmi, little bit up your hand, please. Yes.
मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा है. Can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am, we can see you.
Okay, I can't see myself because.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. See you soon.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye.
Mosmi, and thank you all the participants for
Thank you,
joining.
Mosmi.
Have a good evening to you all.
Welcome, sir. Thank you, ma'am.